Recently, someone commented on my YouTube video that instead of just talking about AI tools and agent, can you build something live on your YouTube video? They also challenged me, can I create a AI application which will create a YouTube thumbnail, description, tags with just a single prompt, and that also with a short period of time. And I accept that challenge. So in this video, we are going to create, and not only create in local, we will deploy it and make it live so everyone can access it. The application where you can just give the title or the topic of the video, and it will create the thumbnail, description, the high quality text for you, so you can readily use it in your YouTube video. Okay, so let's accept the challenge and start working on creating our application. So I'm in my code editor, so I'll be using the coding agent just like Antigravity, or I'll be using the Cloud Code. So let's start with the Antigravity. If it exceeds the tokens or get any quota issue, then I will move to the Cloud Code. But we'll be creating everything in this video, from creating the local until the deploying and making it live. Everything we'll do in this video. Okay, so let's start working on our code first, and we'll give the simple description what we want to build to our AI agent, and that let's see how it will start building our code. Now you can see the prompt, whatever I have given. I just try to give the more detailed prompt so it will not ask the repetitive questions, and without much iteration we can build our application. So I'm using the Google Cloud definitely, as my complete cloud stack is on Google Cloud, and I'll be using the Gemini model for the text and image generation. So that basic details I have given. So let's send the prompt and let's wait for our agent to build the complete code. Okay. So meanwhile, the agent is building my application. I'll just take a small break. I'll take a coffee and I'll come back. Now you can see Antigravity created a complete implementation plan. Okay, what it is going to do. So I'm not reading it much detail, but yeah, you should read it in much details. And let's say you are agreed with that plan, and then you can just proceed. So I'll just proceed. So it will work with this plan. So I haven't mentioned which tech stack I need, which coding language I need. I need a Python or Node.js or React. Everything I haven't mentioned. Okay. There is small error. Just let's retry. Now we can see it's built and it is deploying, but we want to try it in local also. So I'll just ask, okay, can we try it in local? Okay, so it is asking you can give a try locally. So let me just check if it is running in local. So I can test if it is running fine. Else it will ask agent to troubleshoot. Okay, so it is just giving the HTML. Let's confirm with AI. Let's confirm with our agent. Now we have UI up and running. So let's give a simple topic and let's try to see if it will generate the descriptions, thumbnail and tag for us. Okay, so I'll just give based on, okay, there is some highlighter topic. I'll just use the same similar kind of topic. Top 5 mistakes to avoid while building AI apps. Okay, I'm just giving random topics and let's see. Okay, so here I have to give the face image as well. That is optional, but I will give just to see the efficiency of application, how it will create a thumbnails using our face image. And let's try to generate now. So I will generate and will wait for the output. Let's see if it will work or it will need some iteration. Okay, so let's wait for the output now. Okay, now you can see using my image, it generated the thumbnail, and here it has given the SEO tags which you can copy directly. It has also given the optimized title, 5 biggest AI app development mistake you must avoid. So we have given the normal, but it has given the SEO optimized. You can simply copy it. You can simply copy the thumbnail. You can download the thumbnail, and let's say you want to create another version. So okay, so let's you can try a generate again. So it will give you another version, maybe something different. It will not give the same because it will not storing any kind of history. We haven't designed that way that it will store any kind of history. Okay, so let's see one more version how it will build. Either it is building accidentally or every time it is generating a very nice thumbnail. So let's wait for it. And let's say sometimes it try to make the changes to your face. Then you can give the instruction to the AI agent that set the prompt that there should not be any facial characteristic changes, so it will not change any facial characteristic. Okay, so it's depend on what instruction your AI agent giving while building the application. But we are not dipping dive into the agent code, whatever we have built, and we are just given the instruction, so it will build for us. Okay, now you can see it even created the thumbnails. Now it created some emotions on my face. It changed the face completely. But yeah, I mean, you understand, either you can create the background, or let's say there is also option that a face is optional. So what I can do, I can simply create the thumbnail without face as well, and then I add my face. If it is changing too many things, then you can simply create without face and then add your face. Now you can see without face also it created a amazing thumbnail. So you can use that thumbnail and then add your face image if it is changing too many things. Else you can set a prompt that do not change the facial characters. Okay, and you can simply copy the titles, SEO tags, and thumbnails. So hope it's working fine, but still we have to make it live. So let's confirm if it is working fine on our web browser. We mentioned our agent to add the name as a creator dot techtrapture.com domain name. It's not working, so let's ask our agent. Okay, we can see it's still deploying. It is deploying after making some code changes, and it's waiting for deployment to complete. So let's wait. After that we will see this will start working. Okay, so let's wait for the 5 minutes. It's still not working. Let's see if deployment is completed or it's still pending. Okay, we can see the deployment is still running. We'll wait for some time, and then after that we'll try again. Okay. Now we can see the deployment is successful. So it is deployed on the Cloud Run. You can see the Cloud Run URL as well as the domain URL. So let's try the domain URL and let's see if it is working on the domain URL. It's not it working. Let's try with the HTTP if it working. Okay, it's also not working. So DNS may take some time. But meanwhile, just try the Cloud Run URL, and the Cloud Run URL is completely working. So let's wait for DNS to propagate. And how we can check the DNS propagation? Simply go to the DNS propagation checker, and you can try our URL. Okay, so if it is reflecting or not. So I'll simply check the DNS propagation if it is working fine in India as well. So mostly it is propagated, but not in all the regions. So let's see, India around Coimbatore it's propagated, but other region it's still not. So let's wait for some time, and after that we'll try. Now it's around 5 to 7 minutes. Let's try now if our domain is working. Yes, it's working, and now you can see we are accessing our application on creator.techtrapture.com. Okay, so I'll try one more topic like hot jobs in 2026 IT. Okay, so let's try to generate some thumbnail, and without face I'll try to generate. I'll generate some thumbnail, title, text, tags, and description. Okay, it works on a domain. We'll see that. Okay, and now you can see it created the optimized title, top IT jobs in 26, high demand and future proof your career. So it created optimized title, it created a tags, it created a thumbnails as well. Okay, so this is completely working now. As a given challenge, I have completed end to end project from coding till the deployment and making it live on the website in this video. So I'm ready for the next challenge. So if you have any task which you want to automate using the AI or want to implement AI to make your task easy, just comment down in this video, and next video I'll create and accept your challenge. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you again in the next video.